We bought a keyless door lock from latch.it. I'm not getting any money from them, don't be afraid. We did that because carrying a key around all the time, especially to the beach, is a pain in the neck. And we lost one of our keys anyway, so it was time to be more modern. So let's unpack it. Removing the old lock is as easy as removing those 4 screws at the corners. And that little plate on the side. Then that lock will slide easily out. Relatively easy. Next we need to remove those 4 corner screws from the new door lock and take it apart. After disconnecting the cable, we can start to install it. Well, as you can see, my first attempt failed. The lock is a little bit too snug and won't slide into the opening. I first use a round file to slightly extend the hole for the metal bolts so they can better slide in. Bingo! Now the metal bolts fit into the hole. But it's still a little bit too snug, and I used a different file to open the hole a little bit more. That did the trick, and it fit in. The rest is easy. We put that little metal plate back on, reconnect the wire, slide the inner side of the lock on top of it, and test it out before you tighten the screws. After activating the keyless fob, I can sync the two things, and voila, it works. Reprogramming the PIN number is the last thing to do, and the most important thing, because that's what we will use most of the time. From now on, the key and the fob can stay in the glove compartment, and we don't need to take anything with us anymore. Thank you.